The most important external motivator of the human being is triumph, and triumph feeds on triumph. Success feeds on success. To be able to manufacture champions, the most important thing is to make them passionate to triumph and success. Reflect a second. If you have been successful in any activity of your life, and you have tasted how the victory feels, would you like to feel it again? Would you like to go up precisely to that place where only the winners are, the podium of champions? Of course, we all want to feel that overblowing emotion that is generated when we achieve something. But generally, we are overwhelmed when we have a huge goal or one that seems unattainable. And in those cases, we ask ourselves, how am I going to get that far? And the answer is, step by step. If your goal is to run 10 miles and you only manage to travel one, don't be discouraged. Try one more time. Run 2 miles the following week, 3 in the next, 4, 5, and so on until you reach your goal. If you want to sell 100 products in a week, first, set as a goal to sell 10. If you want to grade a whole book, start with the first chapter. The only way to taste success is by being successful. Unattainable goals demotivate you and make you want to stop trying to achieve something you want. Divide your goal into achievable goals, and when you achieve them, please celebrate it. Acknowledge your effort, and always remember that it is step by step how objectives, goals, and challenges are achieved, and it is with wisdom and advice that the road to success opens up. Keep going, you can do wonderful things.